Welcome back. So today we are going to see here a recursion problem, which is sum of natural numbers using recursion in Python. So the question, or I would say the problem, is about we need to get the sum of the natural numbers using the recursion function. Okay, so we are very much aware that recursion is something which actually used out for repetition of the particular function, right? I mean the function calls itself only. So we are just like requiring out here to get the natural number sum. So here what we are going to do, we are going to just get a number input, and we just want that up till that number we want the sum. Okay, so let's say I'm creating out the function here def with a name sum. Okay, and it's going to just take an integer, or I would say a number input, and we are going to do something. In case we are having one case here, in case our like number entered would be 0, in that case we are going to just return out simply 0, right? Because before 0 only minus numbers are there, right? And those are not the natural number, so we won't be requiring out the sum of that minus numbers. So else we could just give the logic that we could just return the n plus, and function will call itself only with its minus 1. So what would happen, no? Okay, let me just complete the program, and I'm just trying to print out my number sum by calling the function and passing the parameter. So I'm just going to pass here my number, let's say 5. I want 1 2 3 4 5 sum, right? So what would happen? So let me just give here n, because it should be n. So let's just try to get the answer first of all, then I'll explain you the logic. So if you would calculate 5 plus 4, that is 9, 9 plus 3, that is 12, right? 12 plus 2, 14, and 1, 15. So that is what the natural number sum we receive. So if you would see how this is working, so of course if it's 0, it is going to return you 0 simply. So 5, initially n is 5, 5 plus n minus 1, so it's calling itself only n minus 1, that means 4. So sum is 4 now, right? So 5 plus 4, it will hold out for now. Now 4 became now 3, it will again call to this. N subdivision would be 5 4 3, right? It will hold out for now. Again it become 2, and then it becomes 1, and now it is going to just plus the whole logic, okay, from the end position to the beginning of first position, right? Which is we just received out 15. So this is how the thing actually works out with recursion, as we saw in previous examples as well. So I hope this is going to be a useful program and information for you to get the natural number sum by recursion in Python. Thank you so much.